What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I want to focus on a project called Mr. Beast Fan Token. Now this is going to be a charitable token which is going to be given to Mr. Beast's own charities in the aim of obviously supporting those charity and doing some good, but also in the aim of getting the attention of Mr. Beast. So if you just scroll down a little bit on the website, the first thing they talk about is the tokenomics here and where the taxes are going to be going. So there's going to be a 6% tax on both buys and sells, and 2% of those are going to be going to Mr. Beast's own charities, and 2% is then going to be going towards the marketing and development, which from being in their communities and listening to what their team has to say is going to be very focused on the spaces where Mr. Beast is famous. So Mr. Beast, for those of you guys that don't know who this is the number one YouTuber right now. He has, I think, 105 million subscribers. Just go over here, you can see his channel here. Yeah, 105 million subscribers. He is the number one YouTuber. He has crazy amounts of interaction with each video. You can see here 38 million on this one, 40 million on this one, 108 million views on this video. So you can see he's a really popular guy. Really well known worldwide, and the aim of the marketing development is obviously going to be based on focusing on the places that Mr. Beast is popular, right? So it's going to be based on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch specifically, as well as some billboards as well. They have got a white paper where they go into more detail about that, and then they have got an extra 2% tax which is going to be redistributed in BUSD just for holding. So a couple of things that make me really interested in this project. Number one being the fact they're using such a big name as Mr. Beast. From all my time that I've spent in DeFi, I do find that projects that use a name of a very well-known person, just off the top of my head, I can think last year, people using the name of Elon Musk. There's been plenty of examples of where people have used, names of big stars and then been able to use their names and then push their token, which I do think this has the potential to do. As of yet, I've not seen a Mr. Beast token, go up to any sort of crazy market caps or anything like that. The second thing is that even though this token has already launched, I've got a chart somewhere we can have a look. This is it so far. It has been launched for a few days. It still hasn't yet had any of its listings, and by listings I mean things like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and things like that. And again, going back to the time I've spent in DeFi, you tend to find that projects which, fan tokens of really popular and well-known people tend to perform very well when they get listed on these sort of websites. So, you can expect Mr. Beast fan token also to probably perform very well once it gets listed on these websites. Now, going back to the listings, like I was saying, it's been launched for a couple of days now. It launched on a Friday. It's just recently been a weekend and we're going into Monday now, which means that these listings could happen at any time. Now, going off price action since launch, Mr. Beast fan token definitely does tick all the boxes in terms of listings. It's got a huge liquidity, almost 400k. It's been getting, consistently over 100k volume every single day. It's got a large market cap and it's got a large amount of holders as well. So it's just pretty much a waiting game now as to when this token should be listed on those websites. And I am, pretty sure that it's going to have a positive reaction for the project. So going down to the roadmap, they've got a pretty basic roadmap here on the website. However, like I was saying before, you do go into the white paper, they do list into a little bit more detail about, everything that they kind of got planned in terms of marketing and development and stuff like that. Obviously, here they just state that the initial task is just to get listed on, certain websites, centralized exchange listings, to get their decentralized exchange opened, which is going to be a decentralized exchange, based on charities and giving and stuff like that. And the second little utility they've got as well, they've already got something called the Karma dashboard, which we're going to go into in a second. It's just kind of a normal dashboard where the team are transparent about how much money they've got in the charity wallet, how much money they've given and to which charities and stuff like that. As well as on the other side, you can check your own earnings and then how much BUSD you've earned and stuff like that. They've also got a section, we'll just go on to we'll visit onto the Karma dashboard. And you can see here, so far over the weekend, they have donated 5,000 to two of Mr. Beast charities, which are Team C's and Team Trees. So 2,000 has gone to Team C's and 3,000 so far has gone to Team Trees. They have got 11,500 now waiting in the charity wallet to then be given as well. And obviously, the more and more this builds up and the more they give to Mr. Beast charities, the more chance they've got of being recognised by Mr. Beast or one of his team, which is only going to be have a positive impact for the token. Because these guys have also outlined from the start that they are a fan token, so they're not affiliated in any sort of way with Mr. Beast, and they're not claiming to be either. And this is the side where you can see your own balance and your holdings and how much reflections that you've been paid out in BUSD. The Beast Fund, which is Mr. Beast fan token, also aims to help out its holders as well. So if you're a holder of Mr. Beast fan token and you might be going through some financial troubles, or maybe you know somebody who is going through financial troubles, you can, once you've connected your wallet to the DApp, you can then apply through a Google form about your current situation or the situation of someone you know, and then they will be specially selected by the team to help out those people in need. So for people who need like school fees paying, maybe rent paying and stuff like that, and the aim is to change the lives of the holders of the Mr. Beast fan token. And yeah, so I think I've pretty much gone over everything I wanted to in this project. I don't want to go into too much detail and make the video too long. What I will do is I'll put all the links to the project, the website and that kind of stuff in the description of the video, so check it out yourself. Join the Telegram, speak to the team, stuff like that. And yeah, so obviously this is time dependent. By the time you watch this video, they might have already been listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, or they might have already been noticed by Mr. Beast. So hopefully you're watching this video before any of that stuff has happened. But if not, this project definitely has some potential to have some future as well. And yeah, so okay guys, thanks for listening as always, and until next time, bye.